During the pandemic, we're sharing this special video each month to honor outstanding staff members. Today, we are very pleased to recognize April's Excel Employee of the Month, Linda Stevens, who is a clinical coordinator at the Center for Wound Healing. Linda is a longtime Sarasota Memorial employee who has helped shape the success of Wound Healing Center. She joined the hospital in 1984 and was one of the nurses who originated the program. Under her leadership, the department has grown into a dynamic, top-quality program that offers advanced therapies to speed healing and provide the highest level of care. Linda is also almost a 40-year employee, and I was just talking to her earlier. She says she's going to hit 36 and possibly retire. I was trying to talk her out of it a little bit earlier, see if we can get to that 40. But Linda, we are so grateful for everything that you've done throughout your entire career here. We congratulate you on a recognition that's well-deserved and probably long overdue. So thank you so much. Excel recipients are employees who are the models of excellence and consistently demonstrate the mission, vision, and values of our organization. They are superior performers that make an extra effort in the quality and care of our patients and families in the community. The hospital board and administrative staff of Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System recognizes you, Linda Stevens, with the Excel Award for the month of April 2021. Thank you for your continued dedication to excellence. It's signed by myself as President and CEO of the system and Mr. Jim Meister, who is our board chair. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much. This is an honor to be, especially to be nominated by my fellow co-workers. We have a great team at the Wound Center. I have excellent nurses and front office staffs between my tech and my front girl who answers the phones, and she's our first line of how welcoming the Wound Center is. I want to thank Yolanda for all the years she's helped me being my director, and Dr. Gordillo, of course, and his staff of nurse practitioners and PAs that every day are at the Wound Center, and all the docs that we work with, all the podiatrists, surgeons, vascular surgeons, plastics. They're all great docs to work with. We just have a great team there, and I'm going to be so sorry to retire, but I'm going to give the baton to Sandy, who's going to be taking over for us, and she will lead the Wound Center just as I have and make it as wonderful as it always will be. Thank you.
Once again, I want to thank our community, thank our staff for everything that you continue to do here at Sarasota Memorial to benefit our patients in our community. This has been a long year. We've had a lot of ups and downs this year, but we've come through this with amazing results. We have so many people to be thankful for that have contributed to our success over this past year, and we just want to continue to remind everybody to play your part in our community. Keep social distance, keep wearing masks when it's appropriate, and keep washing your hands. And most importantly, if you have not already, take the shot. Thank you very much.